In the 7.1 ready, you'll be using your compass to draw concentric circles. Concentric circles are circles that have the same center. Now we're going to draw some circles centered at point A, and then we're going to draw a congruent circle, that is a circle with the same radius, over at B as the center. So we're going to draw a circle centered at A, move the point of the compass over to B, draw that same diameter circle. And then we're going to change the radius of the compass, make it larger or make it smaller, draw another circle at A, go back to B, and draw that same congruent circle. We're going to bounce back and forth here, making concentric circles. And we're going to look at, in particular, what it asks for the question is, what do we notice about where all these circles with center A intersect with all the corresponding circles centered at B? Okay, so we want to draw these circles centered at A, centered at B, and look at where they're intersecting. All right, so the first circle really doesn't matter what diameter you use, so just set your compass and draw a circle centered at A. Now take your compass, move the point over to B, and draw that same size circle, but now centered at B. Okay, look at where they intersect. Okay, we're going to change the compass now. We're going to take the compass and either make it bigger or make it smaller. Change the radius. We're going to go back to A, and I'm going to draw a bigger circle this time. Okay, it doesn't have to be bigger, it could be smaller, but let's just go bigger. So open up the compass a little bit, put the point on A, and draw another circle. Without changing the size of the compass, now bounce back over to B and draw a circle that is congruent to the blue one, but now centered at B. So we're bouncing back and forth. We draw one circle, draw a congruent circle on the other center point. And let's do it one more time. Now I'm starting to notice a pattern here. I'm looking at how those points where the blue circles intersect or where the red circles intersect, I'm seeing something. Do you see it yet? Well, if not, let's draw one more set of circles. Take your compass and open it up a little bit more. Go back to centered at A and draw another circle. Go back to B now and draw that congruent circle, but now centered at B. What do you notice? Look at where the green circles, the blue circles, the red circles, look at where they're intersecting. If we look at the points where the green circles intersect up top, where the blue ones intersect up top, where the red ones intersect up top, and then also down below, what's true about all those points? They make a line. Where is that line segment? What do you notice? Well, it appears to be in the middle of segment AB. What else about it? How is this segment, this one that's in red, compared to that original segment AB? It's also perpendicular. So all of these points that we just drew make a line, and that line is going to be the perpendicular bisector of our original segment. A perpendicular bisector, those two words, perpendicular means it makes a right angle, bisector means it cuts it in half. So we just drew a segment that cuts segment AB in half and does it at a right angle. Now, do you really need all the circles? No, we could have done this just with the red circles. We could just draw one pair of circles where they intersect, and that would have been enough to be able to draw that perpendicular bisector. Now, that point where that perpendicular bisector intersects AB, that's the midpoint of AB. Is there another way down here in number 2 that's asking, could we find that midpoint of that segment without using our compasses? I'll give you a hint. Think about what you could do with folding. How could you fold this and find that midpoint? All right, that's the rest of the ready, so good luck.